Hey everyone! Welcome back to the Epic Life Hub, your go-to place for creative tips and YouTube growth. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to dispute a copyright claim on your YouTube video, step by step. If you've ever seen that scary copyright claim message on your channel, don't worry, I've got you covered. So stick around till the end because I'll show you exactly what to do to fix it safely without hurting your channel. All right, let's jump right in. As you can see here, I've got a few copyright claims on my videos, mostly because of background music. Now the good news is, these are claims, not strikes, which means they don't affect your channel's visibility or standing. Here's how to handle them. One click on Take Action. You'll see a few options: erase, replace, cut, or dispute. We're going to click on Dispute. And take a moment to read the information carefully. Then hit Continue again. Now, you'll need to choose one of these. You own the original content, you have a license, or you're using it under a copyright exception, like fair use or public domain. In my case, I have a license, so I'll click on License. Read the section thoroughly, then click Continue. Next, tick the box that says, I have permission to use this content from the copyright owner. Then click Continue again. Now paste your license information into the box provided. I've already done that. After that, tick all the confirmation boxes, type your full name as your signature, and click Submit. And that's it. You can now close the window and repeat the same steps for any other claims. As you can see, in many cases, only the license option will be available, so make sure your license is valid and clear. That's how you dispute a copyright claim the right way. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow and lets me bring you more awesome content every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.